Remember the car's brain we talked about? That's where the algorithms come in. Algorithms are like sets of instructions that tell the car how to understand and react to all the data it's getting from the sensors. Think of them like those fortune-telling machines at the arcade, but instead of predicting your future love life, they're predicting things like if that car in front of you is about to slam on its brakes. These algorithms are constantly learning and improving just like we do. The more data they collect, the better they get at predicting and preventing accidents. It's like having a driving instructor who's always riding shotgun, helping you become a safer driver.
Section 4. Hold up, the car can hit the brakes for me? You bet it can. One of the coolest things AI can do is actually take control of the car in emergencies. It's called autonomous emergency braking, or AEB for short. Imagine you're driving along and someone suddenly cuts you off. You slam on the brakes, but it's too late. With AEB, the car can actually sense the danger you do and automatically hit the brakes to avoid a collision. It's like having an invisible force field around your car that helps prevent those heart-stopping moments. Of course, this doesn't mean you can just zone out and let the car do all the work. You still need to pay attention to the road and be ready to take over if needed.
Section 5. The future of driving, less stress, more Netflix. So what does the future hold for AI and car safety? The advancements in artificial intelligence are transforming the way we think about driving. Well, things are only going to get more impressive from here. With each passing year, the technology becomes more sophisticated and user-friendly. Imagine a world where car accidents are a thing of the past. A world where every journey is safe and secure, thanks to AI. Where you can hop in your car, tell it where you want to go, and then sit back and relax, knowing you're in safe hands. Or catch up on your favorite shows. The car becomes a space for entertainment and relaxation. That's the kind of future AI is making possible. A future where technology enhances our daily lives in ways we never thought possible. Of course, there are still some challenges to overcome, like ensuring the technology is foolproof and can handle any situation. Like making sure these systems are always reliable and working properly. Regular maintenance and updates will be key, but the potential benefits are huge. From reducing traffic accidents to making our commutes more enjoyable. With AI on our side, we're not just making our roads safer, we're revolutionizing the entire driving experience. We're making driving less stressful and more enjoyable for everyone. Imagine a world where driving is a pleasure, not a chore. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all be chauffeured around by our self-driving cars. The future of driving is bright and full of possibilities.